Hello everyone, today we're going to turn this 12 color blank that has stabilized maple burl in it. We made this blank on Saturday Morning Cartoons. We do it every Saturday at 10 o'clock a.m. Central Time. Christina won this one and I hope she enjoys it when we're finished. Right now I'm just cutting the top of this down flat and putting a dovetail on it so it fits in the jaws better. It's going to be way more secure in there. I'm using Easy Wood Tools cutters on these with all negative rake cutters on there. As you can see, I'm just turning that thing around and it fits in those jaws a lot better now. And then I can start getting this thing around and start shaping it. Just a side note here, my old lathe did die and I'm borrowing this lathe from my buddy David Birch. Thanks, it's a Nova 1624 and I'm liking it a lot so far. I'm going to go ahead and use it until I get my forever lathe. That'll be shown later. At this point in the project, I really don't know what I'll be making yet, but I do know this is going to be the bottom of it. I'm going to put a mortise in there and have a dovetail in there so that I can put it back. I can finish the bottom of it and I can put it back in the jaws and then I can shape the rest of it. And then I'll figure out what I'm going to make. I'm going to sand this to 400 grit and then we're going to use some Yorkshire grit. You just rub that on there and then turn on the lathe and keep rubbing it in until it's finished, and then wipe it off with a clean paper towel, and then you're done. Then you have to finish it after that. At the end of this, we're going to buff everything all at the same time. So this bottom is done and now I can flip it around. This chuck is from Easy Wood Tools. It's a quick release. You just take those jaws off and then slide the new jaws right in there. It's super easy. I'll have links below to all the stuff I used today. So let's get started shaping this thing. I really don't know what I'm shooting for here, but all I do know is that I want to get it round, and that allows me to see the pattern of the resin underneath and where the wood is laying and what kind of patterns we're going to get. And when I get this thing round, I'm super happy with what I see underneath and excited with the possibilities. At this point, I'm pretty close to the shape that I want this thing to be, and I've also kind of decided that I don't want to hollow it out. This wood is beautiful on this thing, and I kind of just want to leave it alone. So she could put a candle on it. It could be a candle holder or a dish or whatever. It would be like a fake vase, I think. I'm satisfied with it, and I'm just going to refine the shape here, and then we'll get to sanding when it's time. So I'm just going to go ahead and sand this thing from 80 to 100 to 400 grit. And then what you see here is I'm just using denatured alcohol to clean it off before we use Yorkshire grit. And this gives you an opportunity to see what it's going to look like when it's finished. It's my favorite part of the process. And I'm just rubbing in Yorkshire grit right now. and then you're going to turn on the lathe and work it in there, and then get a clean towel and then work it off of there. As soon as the towel stops getting Yorkshire grit on it, then you're done. And then we'll go to the buffing wheels, and we will have a nice fake vase for Christina. You made it to the end of the video. Thank you for that. Go ahead and watch this video right here next.